This YouTube channel is making over $16,000 a month by posting simple faceless videos that can be created with AI in under 15 minutes. In just 18 months, they have gained almost 46 million views and over 400,000 subscribers. I challenged myself to uncover the secrets behind their success within 24 hours. After analyzing all their videos, I not only figured out their exact strategy, but also discovered the blueprint they are following to recreate their content using only free AI tools. No need for expensive software or subscriptions. In this guide, I will expose their entire system and show you every step from A to Z, from writing viral scripts, creating visuals, and most importantly, how to turn videos into cold hard cash. Unlike other tutorials, I will also show you how to turn your channel into a full-on business that can make 6 figures a month on autopilot. The first and most important step is picking a good niche. The channel I studied creates simple explaining videos with minimal editing, helping people to know a certain topic or interest like the one on screen under a couple of minutes. These type of videos remain evergreen even after years. You don't need to copy them exactly. The best thing about this niche is that people of any age can watch it. That means more views equal to more chances of getting viral. Okay, now is the time to write the script. Before we dive in, I've created a free Google Doc containing all these links, prompts, and templates you will need. You can just copy and paste the strategy and start producing content in this niche. Click the link in the description to grab your copy and follow along easily. Now head to the docs and copy the first prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. Once it generates the list of the name of the best 10 fictional books, then copy the second prompt and paste it and wait for it to generate the whole script. Once finished, select the whole text and copy it. Once the script is ready, it's time to bring it to life with visuals. Most creators in this niche use still images, and we will do the same but with AI. First, paste your story into ChatGPT and ask it to generate image prompt for each scene. Then go to Leonardo AI and sign up if you haven't already. After logging in, click on Image Creation and start generating visuals. Leonardo AI's free plan gives you 150 credits, which should be enough, but you can upgrade later if needed. Before generating images, make sure to turn on legacy mode and paste your prompts one by one. Set the image model to albedo-based Excel, choose 2 images per scene, and set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for a standard look. Once everything is ready, hit generate, and within a few moments, your images will be ready. If you're not satisfied with the results, tweak the prompts and try again until you get the perfect visuals. Once the script is ready, it's time to give it a voice. AI tools like Clipchamp makes this process incredibly easy. First, go to the Clipchamp's website and sign up if you haven't already. Then, navigate to the text-to-speech section where you can select the language, voice, and pitch. Choose a voice that fits your video. For this tutorial, I will go with Christopher because it's warm and deep tone. After selecting the settings, paste the script in the text box and click Save. Once the processing is complete, your AI-generated voiceover will be ready. Click Export, select 1080p and download the file to use in your video. Now that we have everything, it's time to put it all together. We will be using CapCut for editing, but feel free to use any other editor you prefer. Open CapCut and click Import to upload both the voiceover and images. Drag the voiceover onto the timeline and use the zoom in option on the right to expand it. Next, drag the images onto the timeline one by one according to the story sequence. Since it's going to be a simple video, so we will be using smooth transitions like black fade from the top left side. To enhance the visuals, add the noise to the effect and stretch it across the entire video. Now it's time to add sound effects. You can find free ambient track on Pixabay and Upbeat, which will add an extra layer of depth to your video. Place the soundtrack on the timeline to make the transition smoother. Set fade in to 0.7 seconds. Additionally, you can use transition sound effects if you want to, but I will leave it as it is. Finally, adding subtitles will make the video even more engaging. Use CapCut's auto caption feature to generate subtitles. Then choose the font you like. Set the size to 12 and color to white to give it a clean look. Once everything is in place, click on export, choose 1080p and render your video.
Imagine a town baked in southern sun, where magnolia trees sway and secrets fester under genteel smiles. In the quiet town of Macomb, Alabama, young Scout Finch watches the world through innocent eyes, until the day innocence shatters. Her father, Atticus Finch, is chosen to defend a black man falsely accused of assaulting a white woman. The town erupts in whispers and judgment. But Atticus stands tall, a man of unshakable integrity, teaching Scout and her brother Jem what real courage means.
As I mentioned earlier in this video, our goal is to turn this into a fully monetized business and maximize our earning potential. There are multiple income opportunities beyond just YouTube and ad revenue. Most faceless YouTube channels rely on affiliate marketing, where you promote someone else's product through a unique link. When someone clicks on that link and makes a purchase, you will earn a small commission. One of the best platforms for affiliate marketing is Amazon Affiliate Program, which is widely used by creators across different platforms. The process is simple. You just need to copy the product's link and paste it into your video description. Just keep that in mind that you will earn more if you can help the seller to sell products that are expensive. So aim for the expensive products. As proof, here are some stats shared by people who made money with this program. Editing might seem tough at first, but once you follow these steps, it becomes second nature. If you want more help, you can comment down your queries and I will make sure to reply you guys. And that's it. You now know how to build a viral, faceless YouTube channel using only free AI tools.